morning. Today I'm going to talk to you about engine instruments. As I said in the earlier videos, aircraft instruments can be divided into 5 sections: flight instruments, engine instruments, navigation instruments, communication instruments, and environmental instruments. Today I'm going to talk to you only about engine instruments because I've given a video on flight instruments. So, what are the engine instruments? First one is a tachometer, then fuel pressure gauge, fuel temperature gauge, manifold pressure gauge, fuel gauge. Then other one is cylinder head temperature. So tachometer will give you the RPM of the engine, revolution per minute. In every minute, how many times that the crankshaft rotates in a piston engine. In a turbine engine, it gives you the N1 and N2 spool rotation, right? So that is given in RPM. RPM means the revolution per minute. In 1 minute, how many times it rotates? So that is the tachometer. It displays on the tachometer. Then other one is the oil pressure gauge. Oil pressure gauge will give you the pressure of the oil inside the engine. How much pressure is built up in the oil. Then other one is oil temperature gauge. As name implies, it tells you what is the temperature of the oil that is circulating within the engine, right? Then other one is the manifold pressure gauge. Manifold pressure gauge is the one gives you the intake pressure on the piston engine, right? The piston engine, the intake pressure is given by the manifold pressure gauge. Then you have a fuel gauge. Fuel gauge will give you the amount of fuel left in the aircraft, right? That gives you the fuel gauge. Then other one is cylinder head temperature. Cylinder head temperature is the temperature between the piston head and the cylinder head, right? When the piston moves up and down, there is a space between that. Within that space, what is the temperature? This is very vital because if the temperature is too high, also very bad. If it is too low, also not good for the engine, right? The engine should have a minimum temperature to optimize its performance. Okay, so these are the engine instruments. So in another video, we'll talk about navigation instruments. Thank you very much. Bye.